Pretty much, we're working this week on the engine bay. We've been doing a little bit of paint. So how you guys can see, we replace out the rubber. We paint out the pipes. We also add a couple of stainless steel pipes for the water. Pretty much the only thing that we're gonna be doing other than this is gonna be replacing this for the stainless steel piece. All these hoses, they're gonna be getting replaced with the stainless steel. We also need to add the air ride on this one. Also, we added these pieces that usually people paint them just like the cab, but in this case, we put them on stainless steel. The engine bay on this 3406 is looking way better. When we got it, it was rough, so pretty much everything's been clean. How you guys can see, everything is being sandblasted, painted. We just gotta do the final touches. Okay, so pretty much on the front, what we have done so far is we did the custom grille, we did a 20-inch bumper, fender guards, and headlights. On the bumper, how you guys can see, this is the theme that we're gonna be doing on this truck. So pretty much everything is gonna be saying the Matrix. I really loved how it came out. As far as the cab, we also added 5 bullet lights on top. How you guys can see, they're on glass watermelons. Really love how they came out. On the sides, we also added the cab light extensions. We did an underglow light, so at night it's gonna have a nice glow underneath. And then back here, what we did, we added the airbags new. All the screws and all the hardware that we've been using is everything on stainless steel. The next step is gonna be to put the fifth wheel base, and also we're gonna be adding a fifth wheel that is gonna be polished aluminum. So stay tuned, so you'll be able to see how this looks like once we finish.